momentarily brain farted and decided to put diesel in the bike.
Welcome to Mid-Bike Crisis. Welcome to Mid-Bike Crisis.
Right, let's get on. Let's get up to Seaways. I'm dying for a bacon sandwich. I've had nothing to eat. I'm really hungry. And Baines is interrupting me, talking about my lights that he turned off and saying that he turned them on. They were on. He turned them off. Hey, we're at Tipthorpe. Nice little East Yorkshire village. Going towards Wetwang. If you ever want nice fish and chips, head up to Wetwang. Beautiful, beautiful chippy up here. We've got a strong wind again. It's really windy at the moment. I don't know what's going on. I don't recall it being this windy at all. But anyway, more importantly, we're approaching Seaways and I can smell the bacon. Here we go. Now this, gentlemen and ladies, is called a gateway. I know that because I've just done a speed awareness course. So you've got to be doing the speed limit when you approach, when you go through the gate, sorry. Alright.
Hey Siri.
Shouting. Fucking hell. Real loud.
What?
Shouting real loud. Press it on the can't you press the side button? I think you can press the side rather than shouting. You're funny. Hey mate, right. I'm hungry. Let's have a bacon sandwich, I think. Here we are at Seaways. Emma was pretty quick today, I was impressed. What do you love?
Sunny day today.
Eh?
Sunny day, leathers.
I know. Right, I need a cup of tea and a bacon sandwich.
Don't believe a word he had a cast last week.
Sweet bit, big open, stunning. So he was epic.
Epic! Yeah, what are you like for Phil?
I said I'm alright if it's sunny, if it's dry, if there's no wind, it's all good.
This is Bainesy
Well, if it's dry
and his yellow
cold, I'll do it.
Illuminous suit. He's got a little
in the
bit
dark.
of a sideline doing this. So if you want any
Got any leathers detailing?
go see Bainesy. And there's Bainesy's S1000 and the old Fireblade. we're back on the road. So past Seaways now. The bike's cut out. She's at Seaways, the bike's broke down. What are you doing, Emma? About the time Emma put diesel in her bike. Oh my god, honestly.
I've got to keep him. If I put that in the BM, it'll work.
Jesus. Right. Better not get a gobble of tea.
So James has put diesel in my bike. And I'm saying that while he's got his mouth round the tube so he can't say anything.
That'll be a knobhead.
Can't believe you put diesel in my bike.
I don't fancy a gob full of that.
Is it coming?
I can taste it, it's disgusting. Yeah, I know. I can taste it now and it's just like touching my lips.
I've got some chewing gum with you. You want some chewing gum?
Yeah, I might have something in it.
So I went to the petrol station and all of my vehicles, i.e. my car, is diesel. And momentarily brain farted and decided to put diesel in the bike. Got round that corner there and it cut out, tried to kickstart it, didn't cut out again. Ended up in that pull over there and the guys over at Seaways kindly pushed it across the road for me to discover that I had put diesel in my bike. So James is fixing that situation. Hopefully we're going to siphon it out. I only put £7.54 in, but I think
because that's 10 litres that.
Yeah, that must be a bit of unleaded, but I was saying my fuel gauge keeps saying it's empty when it's actually not.
That's petrol that, coming through the
Oh, is it?
now.
Yeah, I told you there was definitely unleaded in there.
It's got a mix though, where you can smell petrol on that.
£7 odds will be about 5.5 litres of diesel.
Well, look at that, it's 10 litres there. So you put more than £7 in.
Light.
I didn't,
Probably
£7.54.
some petrol. Be
I
about
can
2.5
say it's gone
litres
like
of
a bit
petrol
in
an
now.
hour or so.
Yeah, look, it's coming out quite clear now. Yeah, that's petrol-y, but a little bit oily.
So we've got to the petrol. The next thing we're going to try and fill the tank with unleaded and see if we can get it going. And I expect a really big clap as we leave if I do.
I'll just rib it to the top.
Yeah.
It'll be alright.
Do you reckon that's out? Do you reckon that's all out? I've got a diesel car and that's what
There you
I've
go,
done.
you can have a bit of footage for you there.
Right. So James has siphoned it off, put some fuel. This chap has helped us very kindly from Seaways. And I've had numerous admissions by people that they've done this. So I feel better.
Leave it then, leave it. Leave it.
Stop, James.
Stop. You might have to give it a bit of throttle.
Well, look at it. You know, it's like 100 a day. There you go. You'll be on YouTube later. You was all wishing it, weren't you, to not start?
Willing it to start, willing it.
Woo! You can see. Hey? Yeah. Yeah, no.
Try and find and get some red X if you can.
Yeah.
Bring it, put some of that. I reckon you'd be laughing. Fine, I think. Sounds sweet, how like.
It sounds alright, doesn't it? How long do you reckon that'll smoke for?
Not that long, I wouldn't have thought. It's only getting rest and drain and diesel out, isn't it?
I'm going to take around the corner, we'll put a red X in it if they've got it there, and then I'll just brim it up.
Brim it.
Well, so far, so good.
Now make it go down to York, you know what I mean? It all ended up in something. Sweet, that.
Yeah, it sounded a bit choppy then, actually. Get that out. Just leave it running like that for a bit. Lovely old KTM. Nice bike that, I like that. It's yours.
That is, yeah.
That's nice, isn't it? Have you?
Yeah.
That's what I started on one of them. Great bike. They are a great bike.
I had the 650F before it.
Well, that's more upright, isn't it? A little bit more.
No, it's the same as this, just an older version of it. Just changed from F to an R, didn't it? Yeah.
But yeah, I had one. I kept it a year, and then I got a CB650R Black Edition. But yeah, they're rad. I mean, Emma was saying, "Oh, I might get something a bit quicker." I thought, fucking fly that thing. Yeah, you shouldn't ride that enough.
She just needs to use more throttle with it.
Yeah. Got it running.
Oh, that's alright then.
Smoke dropping off now as well.
Yeah.
While you go through the system, alright.
Yeah, I got it running.
Yes!
Might just set back a bit when you.
Well, it was a bit lumpy then, but I'm just going to leave it 5 minutes doing that, doing
If
its
she
thing.
wants to pass cars at 90 miles an hour.
Yes, right, so is it going to be a bit shitty when I ride it now?
No,
Well-
no, once it gets.
We'll take it to the petrol station, fill it
Fill it
up.
up with proper unleaded this time.
Well, you can, if you can get
But
some
someone
red
said
X
put, yeah, that red X in it. Get
Yeah,
a shot of
Red X cleans all your.
injectors and that.
Yeah, you might end up with a bit of smoky trail, so if you get
Well, it's
pulled
smart,
by
yeah,
it,
no, it's...
that's not so bad.
Right, we'll leave it with it.
Thank you very much,
Thanks
thank
for your
you.
input. See you later. Ride safe. See you later, mate.
Well done, James. Well done. Thank you.
I'll wait till you get home.
Fucking hell, honestly.
Thank you. Well, I won't do that again. Oh, no, that guy over there said he's done it twice.
Don't say that.
That guy said he's done it twice on his BMW.
I'm going to fill it up at the station first. I've got Red X at home,
Do you
apparently
want
they
to
don't have
fill
any
it
there.
up, please?
Yeah, I'll change fuel filter, I think. Just I'll fuel filter and change that.
I went in and I said to the woman, you know that diesel you sell? She said, yeah, I can I have a refill and swap it to something. And then she went, why? I said,
What you done?
well, I put it in my motorbike.
Anyway, we got the bike running. Oh,
Now listen, I've had at least 6 people tell me they've all done this.
do you know what?
Yeah, but they have done it today like you have.
Loads of blokes have done it. They've come up and said, "Oh, I've done it." Oh, but where's the other guy who said he'd put 3 track bikes?
No, what he'd done was
3
he'd
track
gone with
bikes
his
with
car
diesel.
and he'd gone with his cans and he'd put the diesel in the car and then just filled all the cans, got halfway around, put his thing in the fuel at Donington, halfway around the track, he's had diesel in the bike, did what mine did.
Yeah, but how do you fill 3 up with diesel?
Because you're just going to autopilot, don't you? If you every day I'm putting diesel in my car, you just.
In that green sticker a giveaway on the pump.
You know, I said right. When the guy said you want to put diesel.
You know when you get an electric one, don't try to plug it in blue.
Hey, I've got a hybrid car. Fucking hell.
Don't you find it? You got a sticker saying leaded on the bike.
Because I
E10.
do a lot of miles for our business, and he was like, "You want an all-electric car?" I said, "James, this is me. I'll run out every day. I'll never plug it in." And he was like, "Yeah, you're probably right."
Do you remember this guy? We met him at on-site
I was
at TAM.
thinking, yeah, I was thinking.
He was on it.
Sorry for
What
you.
bike was you on?
What I was on, I was trying to think a minute ago.
He was on a sporty bike.
Was on the 600?
Yeah, it was a camera.
ZX6,
Yeah. And he was talking about his GS when I'd just bought mine,
Yeah.
and saying, no, it was like they're an heavy bike.
Yeah.
It was just a bit numb, I think. Do you know what? Mint bike does loads of stuff, but
It was everything well, but for a lump. Just a lump.
if I was retired, I'd probably keep that and think, oh, you know, I'll do a bit of touring on it. But just for me, motorbikes are fun. I just want to like
That's it.
jump on that fire blade. I just want to have a blast and
They're
just.
great, them fire blades. I've got one, but yeah.
Well, I've just restored that.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, gearbox.
I don't
blow
know
up.
7. I've got rid of that. I've got a 16 plate one now. But yeah, fun out there.
Well, the key for that, I'll never sell it.
Yeah.
Bin bike.
I regret getting rid of my 07 plate.
They'll be like, can you fuel it properly? When you prove you can fuel your bike properly,
Yeah,
you can have
well,
fuel.
they reckon that's the most desirable, the O2, the 954. They reckon, well, they reckon
Well, it's
the
clear
best one they
now,
ever made.
Go reckon it.
Yeah, I think we're good to go. It's cleared diesel out of the tank. Not my bike, my wife's bike.
Oh, is that what you've done?
No, I don't know. That young lady right there, there.
Oh, no way, diesel.
I've got it out. No, I siphoned it out. She's put about £7 in it. So I've siphoned it out. It took a while to get going, but got it going. That's the remnants of the diesel. Yeah, I think that's sweet, that.
Yeah, sounds like that'll go on.
The engine sounds sweet, it's just a bit choked in it, I think, with the...
It'll still run out there.
yeah, it will. I'm going to do fuel filter on it, and someone said do oil change as well, because the diesel potentially could get through the rings.
That's actually a good idea.
Yeah, I think I will. I'll do an oil
The
change.
cost of it,
Yeah.
you're looking at peanuts, aren't
Yeah.
you, really? Yeah, well, make it bloody easy nowadays.
Anyway, I'm happy with that. That sounds pretty...
It does look sounds all right, yeah.
Right, I might get up to the coast for my fish and chips now. See you later, mate.
Stephen yesterday.
Happy?
He was just saying, I said, you're going to film, clean it and whatever, and he said,
Don't say what I've just said, not on camera.
Oh, go on, what did you say?
no, don't say it.
Right, we're happy. Yeah, go for it. Take a ride.
Do you want some diesel in it?
Yeah, right, we've got the bike going. So Emma put about £7 worth of diesel into it, got it out and got the bike running, so we got away with that one. Right, we're going to go up to the coast and get some chips, I think, while the sun's still shining, so we'll catch you back on the bike in a minute. Yeah, right, that was an expensive... Hey, I got it all out. I got it all out. There was about 10 litres and it was smoking like hell. I was just saying the worst place to break down because everyone's laughing, but the best place because there's a bit of help, wasn't there? So everyone kept coming up to me and saying, what you done? I'm like, hey mate, it's my missus. No, I'm going to go get some fish and chips. Thank you. See you later. Are you happy now? I want some chips or something at the coast. Right, we're going to have a little flyby past Seaways. Get a big cheer and a round of applause. Right, here we are. Right, we're done. Back on the road, there's no smoke coming out of the back of the bike, which is a good thing. That's a real good thing. Happy days. I think we've got away with that, Emma. Jesus, don't do that again. So, putting diesel into a Honda CB650 isn't advisable. Can you get it out? Yeah, you can get it out. Does the bike start? After about 10 minutes, yeah, it does. So, big nod and a big shout to Honda. So, we're back on the road. I think we've been nearly 2 hours there at Seaways. A bit longer than what we thought, but we got there. We got there in the end. Right, we're going to go up to Hornsey now and we'll have an ice cream. It's Emma's treat, and then we're going to get home. So ride's cut a little bit short today, but these things happen. Anyway, I hope you've all enjoyed that and had a good laugh. Yeah, I am filming it, yeah. Lily's at Hornsey after getting away with that, didn't we, Emma?
Can't believe you put diesel in that day.
Yeah, but the proof's in the pudding, mate. you can't say that.
Ah well,
Hey?
we lived to ride another day. It's silly, wasn't it?
Hey?
It's silly.
Yeah. Just trying to do that footage. Got the sun out there, right off. Absolutely boiling. So we're sat here waiting for fish and chips. I've got my helmet there. I've got a mouth that tastes like diesel. Thanks to my wife. So it's a bit touch and go, to be honest, but I got all the diesel out, cycled it out, probably about 8 or 9 litres, so quite a lot. And then we just put in about 5 litres of thank you very much. Is that a regular?
It is, yeah.
Wow,
It's so big.
that's massive. Thank you. And got it started. Cleans the smoke, but anyway, we've got it done. And we've made it to Wanty. We're going to have some fish and chips now. Look at this. Lily's, that's a regular. That's massive. The size of that. So we're going to enjoy our fish and chips now. Emma's telling the tale to everybody. If you're not into motorbikes run on petrol, not diesel. And she put like a tenner's worth of diesel in it.
And it's working. It's fixed it.
But anyway, this is beautiful. I'm going to highly recommend Lily's. So get yourself in Lily's. Fish and chips, brilliant. Yeah, really nice fish, really meaty fish. Well impressed. So Steve followed us to see if we broke down again. Oh, honestly, what a laugh. At least we still had a good day out. I thought that was it. I thought that's it. Destroyed the day. But hey?
Like you said earlier, that too, it makes the day as well, doesn't it?
Yeah. Yeah. And this ride's alright as well. It's riding lovely after I've done the gearbox. Real nice. Did you see his ride past?
What?
Did you see his ride past? I said, Bib, you're on.
Well, you was first, weren't you?
Yeah.
You were on and it didn't even register, and then as I looked up, you just got over there and then you went past.
Right, we're going to go home, I think, and but I'll get you a message if you're like, oh, we'll have a ride. See you later. Hey? Nice bike that. I like it. It's got to be the best looking sports bike, this. I know I'm biased because I've got one, but gets a lot of attention. People love it. Right, just bumped into Steve again. Nice guy. We'll have to go out for a ride together soon, Steve. Definitely got your number now. So we shall have a ride up to Seaways. Now the weather's changing. Got a number plate on that, you rat. that's it. On our way home now, so we just had a lovely fish and chips in Lily's. Not a place that we've been before, and I must say, hand on heart, I'd say that's the best fish and chips I've had in Hornsey. Now, everyone has their own opinions. There was another chippy that we used to go to up the road. Well, we still go, and I really enjoy it. But I said to Emma, let's try something. Let's try a bit of a different place. So we had a ride out of the seafront and got to the shops there and pulled up and had a lovely regular fish and chips in Lily's. And I must say the portions are massive. I ate all mine, typical fat bugger, and Emma left about half of hers, so she'll get the light bites next time. But fair play, Lily's. Food's absolutely superb. Chips were very nice, cooked beautifully, and the batter and the fish was just super white and fresh. It was lovely. So I don't know where you're buying your fish from, but absolutely superb. So hats off to Lily's in Hornsey. Really enjoyed our meal. Thank you very much to the lovely young lady that served us, and we'll see you back for some more fish and chips hopefully very soon. Now the weather's changed and we'll be back up on our bikes. But yeah, thoroughly enjoyed it. Highly recommend Lily's in Hornsey. Right, we're off home. So we've had a few dramas along the way, being Emma filling her CB650 up with diesel, but we got there, I managed to drain all of the diesel out, so all good in the end. So we're off home. Gonna go put my feet up and probably start editing this video. It'll all be done by now by the time you're watching it, but I've got a belly full of fish and chips, and I'm ready for a sit down, to be honest. So hope you've all enjoyed the video. It's been a bit of an eventful one today, and this is Jim from Mid-Bike Crisis signing out for now. Thanks again for watching, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe. So catch you all on the next one, dudes.